This 5-minute solution will show you how to change profile picture on Thread profile. Open your Thread app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile and you will get your profile photo here. So tap on your profile and now you can import your Instagram profile photo to your Thread profile by tapping on this option. And to add a photo from your gallery, tap on Choose from Library and select the photo you want to save as profile. Now you can pinch the photo to zoom in or zoom out to crop the photo and tap on Choose. Tap on Done. And that's how we can change profile picture on Thread. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.